Good morning, children. This is your next lecture of accountancy. In our previous lecture, we had studied about how to calculate subscription and how to calculate the specific fund. Now, we continue our lecture with the topic of income and expenditure account. In income and expenditure account, there are two sides are given. First one is debit side and another one is credit side. Debit side expenditure and credit side income. All the expenses and losses are debit and income and gain are credit. That is the nature of nominal account. All the revenue expenditure and revenue income will calculate in this income and expenditure account. That is accrual basis of account. That's why it is calculated outstanding expense, prepaid expense, outstanding income, advance income, that is calculated for whole year. Here we have already calculate depreciation on furniture, vehicle, sports material, library books, etc. If expenditure over the income, then amount will become, that is deficit, it is balancing figure. And if income over expenditure, then amount or balancing figure will come surplus. Let's start a numerical. That one is question number 42. That one given in your book, that is T.S. Grewal. Receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2020 to balance BD cash rupees 1,50,000, that is capital in nature, to subscription, to donation, to entrance fee. These are revenue in nature. That's why it will be come in income and expenditure account. Salary, office expense, these are revenue item. But sports equipment, these are capital account. That one is not comes under the income and expenditure account, but its related depreciation comes under the income and expenditure account. Telephone expense, electricity charge, traveling expense, these are revenue expense. These are also come in income and expenditure account. Adjustment is given here. Outstanding subscription for the year ended 31st March 2020, that is current year, rupees 55,000. Outstanding for current year is add. Outstanding salary and wages rupees 40,000, that is also for current year because their year is not mentioned here. Depreciation on sports equipment by 25%. Let's start with solution. Here one income and expenditure account is given. Expenditure amount, income amount. To salary and wages. That one is given payment side of receipt and payment account. Salary and wages rupees 1,60,000 and in adjustment given 40,000 outstanding salary. The outstanding salary will be added in salary. That one will be 2 lakh. Now next one thing is office expense. Office expense is 35,000. Telephone charges 24,000. Electricity expense 32,000. Traveling expense 65,000. And depreciation on sports equipment, that is 25% of actual amount. The amount is 3,40,000. 25% of 3,40,000 is 85,000. By subscription, that is for current year, that is 3,50,000 and outstanding for current year is 55,000. The total amount will be 4,05,000. Donation is 50,000 and entrance fee is 80,000. Now calculate all these things. That total will be 5,35,000 and calculate all these items, then differentiate by 5,35,000. Then we get surplus. To surplus, that is balancing figure for 94,000 rupees. Next one example is related to income and expenditure account and opening balance sheet and closing balance sheet of company. That one is question number 58. In question number 58, one receipt and payment account is given and after that some adjustment also given. That one is the question. Here question is given receipt and payment account. In receipt side, cash in hand, subscription, donation, interest on investment, proceeds from charity. So, subscription, donation, interest on investment and proceeds from charity. So, these all are revenue item. Only cash is a capital item. Next one is medicine, doctor's honorarium, salary, petty expense. These are revenue payment, and equipment is an assets, and expenses on charity so is also revenue, and cash in hand is capital. So capital items are shown in balance sheet, but revenue item are shown in income and expenditure account. Here two things are given. First year is on 1st April 2019 and second one is as on 31st March 2020. These things are for previous year and these are for current year. Here subscription due. Subscription due means income earned but not received, that is an assets. Subscription received in advance, that is an liability. Stock of medicine is assets, and estimate value of equipment, that is also assets. Building is also assets. Assets shown in balance side, asset side, and liability shown in liability side. That one is given. Cash, that one is given in receipt account, that is to cash in hand on 1st April, that is cash balance of previous year rupees 71,300. Then after subscription outstanding 2,400, subscription received in advance 640, stock of medicine, estimated value of equipment, building, and investment. Investment, here given interest on investment at the rate 7% of full year is 70,000. Investment of 7% of investment is rupees 70,000 is given, then value of investment will 10 lakh. 70,000 into 100 divided by 7 is equal to 10 lakh. Then investment is 10 lakh. Now add all these assets. 71,300 plus 2,400 plus 88,100 plus 2 lakh 12,000 plus 4 lakh plus 10 lakh. Then total will be 17 lakh 73,800. And deducted it by the liability side, that is 640. The amount will come 17 lakh 73,160. That is capital fund, that is balancing figure. Now income and expenditure account as on current year, that is 31st March 2020. First one, payment side amount is given rupees medicine 3,05,900. Adjustment also given. Stock of medicine 88,100 and 97,400. 97,400 is for 31st March, that is closing stock, and on 1st April 2019, that is opening stock. Opening stock will be added and closing stock will be deducted from medicine account. Next one thing is given, doctor's honorarium. Doctor's honorarium is rupees 90,000. Then salary 2,75,000. Then petty expense 4610. Next one is equipment. In equipment there are two things, two adjustment are also given. First one is stock of equipment. For previous year, that one is 2,12,000, and stock of equipment is for current year, that is 3,16,000. Then to equipment 1,50,000. Opening stock is 2,12,000 will be added, and closing stock is 3,16,000 will be deducted from these equipment. Next thing is given expenses on charity, so that is 7,500. We will write that one in expenditure side to expenses on charity, so that is 7,500 because no one adjustment is given on expenses of charity show. Next one, in receipt side, here given is subscription 4,79,960. Two adjustment are given. First one is subscription outstanding and second one is subscription received in advance. You know well about the treatment of outstanding and advance. 4,79,960. Outstanding for current year 2,800. Outstanding for previous year 2,400. That will be deducted, and advance for current year, that will also deducted 1000, and advance for previous year, that will be added in subscription account. After subscription, here given donation, that is 1,45,000. Donation, that is 1,45,000. Then after interest on investment, that is rupees 70,000, and proceeds from charity show, that is rupees 1,04,500. Then after we will added all the income and all the expenses, then after deducted them and find out surplus or deficit. Depreciation on building 20,000, then added these item, total is 7,99,500 minus total of expenditure side is, then balancing figure will be 59,790. That is balancing figure, that is expenditure amount, income amount, that is income and expenditure account as on 31st March 2020. Next one and last thing is balance sheet. In balance sheet, firstly we have to write all the item related to current year. First one is outstanding subscription, second one is advance subscription, third one is stock of medicine, fourth one is equipment, fifth one is building. Here cash, firstly balancing figure of receipt and payment, that is cash in hand, that is 37,750. Then after investment, already I